for this project, the Keyhole Lookout, what we're doing is creating a drawing of somewhere else that you might rather be, or somewhere that might be on your bucket list. Maybe it's Greece, maybe you'd rather be hunting or fishing in the woods, maybe you'd rather be at the beach. I, for mine, drew the keyhole, and then the scene that's behind it is a photo that I took whenever we visited Alaska on vacation last summer. So I would love to be back there. This one, you really want to focus on foreground, midground, background. Remember, your foreground is closest to you, so we tend to draw things larger. Also, not drawing the whole entire thing, like this post right here. I drew it larger, it's closer down at the bottom of the paper, and I don't have the whole entire post shown. That's going to create even more depth. Then we have our middle ground, which is a little bit higher up on our paper, and things start to look smaller. Then we have our background, where there's less detail, and then things look even smaller. So what you want to do is figure out where you want to be. I have the outside of the keyhole looking like metal. If you rather yours look like wood or anything like that, you can draw wood there. It's all up to you. But I want you to focus on creating that depth with foreground, midground, background, and then also mixing your colors to create different dimensions of that color. I used a bunch of different shades of green. For in here, I use yellow and blues in my mountains. My ground to show pebbles, I added a lot of texture there. So slow down with this, take your time, and I can't wait to see what you create. The first thing you're going to need to do is to trace a large circle at the top. I used a roll of toilet paper. Then you may have to fix it so there's not a lot of bumps in it. Make 2 diagonal lines, and then a horizontal line connecting those so it looks like a keyhole. Erase any unnecessary lines. Sorry that the camera keeps going in and out of focus. I'm just fixing mine to make it a little bit bigger to see my scene. We want to make it look 3D. So in the corners, make 2 diagonal lines, connect them, and then at that point at the top, connect that to that little diagonal line as well. To make the bottom part of the circle, just make kind of a smaller one on the inside. Then you're going to find a scene that you want to draw, like you're looking through a keyhole. I'm going to draw a photo that I took whenever I was in Alaska that I really liked, and then start to add color to it.